next common substance that influences sleep is caffeine. There are many positive effects of caffeine, but I want to highlight one important potential misconception. Caffeine is a tricking or a masking agent, meaning it only covers the problem. It's not a solution that would resolve the underlying issue. This is vital because the sleep pressure we feel in our heads when we haven't slept enough is called sleep debt. It is caused by having too much excessive residual chemicals left in our brains since we haven't given enough time to the body to cleanse them. Here comes caffeine to the rescue. It blocks the sensors that measure the amounts of these residual chemicals, thereby preventing a sensation of a sleep debt. This is useful at times, but you should know that body is signaling you this sleep pressure for a good reason. You have too much residual chemicals in the brain that need to be cleaned, that need to be cleansed. This is only possible through deep sleep. A simple analogy. If you have a physical pain, like a wound or an infection, you may go ahead and fix the problem, right? Or you can also take enough painkillers to numb the pain and ignore the problem. Well, caffeine would be an equivalent to a painkiller in this analogy since you numb the brain receptors responsible for signaling your sleep debt. Now that you understand the working of the caffeine on your body better, let's explore the effects of caffeine on you. They depend on the amount consumed in relation to your body mass and your level of tolerance. Caffeine is a widely spread substance, so you may find it in many beverages, foods, supplements, or even drugs. So to understand how much you're consuming it daily, you may need to check every processed substance you consume. How fast does your body process it? It requires on average 5 hours to half the amount of the caffeine in the system. The range is quite big since it depends on many factors. This information is valid when you're timing its consumption. So my recommendation is to restrict for consumption 6 hours before bedtime. This should lead to sufficient reduction of this chemical in body to minimize its interference with your sleep. An additional tip is to prevent tolerance buildup and ensure caffeine's effectiveness by having skip days, regulating daily intake, and using alternative stimulants once and so often.